catching an interview. Well, first I can say I speak a few words Romanian. Bine venit. I am Michel van Langeveld from Holland, and I came here already in the 90s, but the reason I live here permanently, and I come here because I like folk dancing and traditions. Well, because of the Sikh where we are now, for the Romanian Sikh, for the Hungarian sake, it is the cradle of the Hungarian dance house movement. Here we have 3 long streets for the Romanian Strada 1, Strada 2, Strada 3, and every street in the past had their own private dance house. And only you could go in the dance house when you live in that street. It's not allowed to go to another street. And also important, only unmarried young people can go. When you are married, hop, 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 go home, your wife is waiting. Well, it all started when I came here just for 1.5 day and night in Sikh, and I wanted to see the beautiful room of such a traditional house. And very quickly I was thirsty and I asked for water, and they gave me very little water. It was palinka. 1 palinka, 2 palinka, 3 palinka. Then comes a soup, bone soup, another palinka, and I was totally drunk. In the night they brought me to another house. In the morning I did not know where I was. And then when I awake, I thought, my God, where am I? And I opened the window, I saw everybody in traditional costume. I did not see normal cars, only cow wagons and horse wagons. You could hear a blacksmith in the distance. It was like Alice in Wonderland. Well, we have also kazare, bed and breakfast, and we are rebuilding, restaurating houses like this. This is a house 140 years old, and now we use it for bed and breakfast. And my goal is that you can see that you can come back 100 years back in time, and also in the house everything is the same as it was in the past. Also the garden, as you see, it is the traditional yard, and I like that very much to show the people of Romania and from Hungary and from everywhere what we have. This is the traditional house we have, about 140 years old, with an old stove, and we restored the house, we cleaned it very good, and here you can live like 100 years ago. A lot of people come, especially from America and Japan. Now we are to see the second dance house. The name of our street is Chipkesek. This is the rebuilt dance house from Forosek. 10 years ago here was nothing, and this dance house was in Strada 3. In this house I met my wife 10 years ago. Inside this dance house, Cornish Peter has his permanent exhibition of pictures of the dance house movement in the 60s. He came here in 1967 for the first time, and he made pictures about the living dances And thanks to his pictures, the dance house movement in Hungary started in 1972. Also some music. You can always hear the traditional music. This is the picture of the dance house when it still was in the other street. And you see the people sitting, and this is the same house now rebuilt in another street. Here you see the window, here you see the petroleum lamp, here you see the place where we are sitting, here you see a dancer, and now I am the dancer. Thank you very much.